Hello there, and welcome to this collection of notebooks and tutorials on machine learning for audio signals in Python. This is a course offered by Professor Schula at the UMNL University of Technology. I am Renato, the instructor for these online materials, and on this tutorial we will talk about recurrent neural networks. So far we saw networks that process the input in layers towards the output, but with no feedback path. Recurrent neural networks compute an internal state from the input, which then becomes part of the input in the next time step. This makes it similar to an infinite impulse response linear field, which have a feedback path via delay elements from their output back to their input, as shown in the following picture here. Here we have for input x of n, we have some delay elements, we have some gay elements, we have some addition, and here we have our output, and the output goes back here. There are some more delay elements, and some more additions, and so there is a feedback loop. This is a generic infinite impulse response filter, and you can take a look more in detail in the lecture Advanced Digital Signal Processing, slide 7. It's also offered by Professor Schula at the UMNL University of Technology, and also there's a reference book that's Discrete Time Signal Processing by Oppenheim. And here we also have another tutorial from the Advanced Digital Signal Processing part 7 about filters. This is the part about infinite impulse response filters. We will first analyze this structure, and then we will try to implement it with a recurrent neural network. What we'll try to do is to analyze this IIR filter structure, and we'll try to compare it and implement it using a recurrent neural network.